Well, I would like to commend the governor for being such a great orator. I think he speaks very well, and there's certainly nothing you can take away from that. But unfortunately, the content of his words lack a lot of depth and detail. And in the case of the folks I represent in Senate District 34, they lack an awful lot of meaning. In the district I represent, there are still far too many households whose incomes are less today than they were in 2004. There are far too many households in the district I represent who have not been able to access the type of employment that they need to sustain their families. Their wages are low. Women are still making 73 cents on every dollar that a man makes. And we don't want to provide health care to those 400,000 folks who, under the Affordable Care Act, would have access to health care. The governor says he doesn't want them to have access to low-quality health care, but he would rather them have no health care, and yet he's offering no alternatives. And so there were just a lot of platitudes in this speech this evening that were not substantiated by facts, and that were given no details on how we are to accomplish the things that he has set out for us as a state. And without that guidance from him, I don't know how we can be expected to meet the goals and objectives he has laid out for us. And so, thankfully, as a member of the Indiana Senate Democrat Caucus, we have put together an agenda that tries to address education for all, education for young students and pre-K education in particular. We've addressed plans on how we can expand health care to those 400,000 folks without it. And we are looking for ways to increase job opportunities and job growth in the state. So without the leadership from the governor, the Senate Democrats, we do have a plan, and we will follow our plan. And hopefully we will get some bipartisan support and see positive change for the future of this state.